Hey guys, so I just want to say before we start this video how hideous I love this hair and my face. I woke up. Like, I woke up. But anyway, let's get on with this video. So, I just wanted to say that I'm very, very sorry that I have not been video in a very long time. And I've just been so busy and it's summer and so I forgot that I had to make videos. I was like, okay, I'm gonna make a video today, and then I never do because I always forget, or I'm just so busy because I've been on trips, or I just been hanging out with friends. But I promise I will be making videos, and school's starting soon, so I don't know how much videos I'm gonna make. But I'll make sure that I promise I'll make a video. But anyway, I just want to say I'm so sorry that I'm not making a video, but some point I might make a video today, maybe a room tour. I really don't know. Like, I changed my room up a little bit, not quite a little bit. I didn't move furniture. I just added stuff to my room and stuff. I don't know why I just said stuff twice, but anyway, just want to clear that all out, and yeah. But yeah, Mr. Winters. He's from If You Give a Pig a Pancake, and he's adorable baby. So I know I sound childish right now, but I just want to say that, and yeah.